Hey guys, welcome to another Super RC unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing Team Associated's new four-wheel drive buggy, the B74.1D. So having a look at the box, it's a new look to the box. So it's just got the Team Associated logo on the front, as compared to previously they've got the a photo of the car. And having a look at the sides, it's got all the features of the new car. It's showing the B74.1D. If you flip it around, you can see all the features of the B74.1, which is the carpet car. So they use the same box for both versions of the car, and the only way of knowing which vehicle you've got in there is having a look at the barcode. So this one shows here the 74.1D team kit. This new updated version of the B74 has a few new features. So this one comes with standard now. The D version comes with the center differential. You've got the optional 72 or 78 tooth spurs, and you got the kit oil of 200,000 CST. And it comes with the lower shock towers. So I think they're lowered by 2mm, and hence the front shocks. I've gone from 24mm shock bodies to 23mm shock bodies. It's got the +3 steering arm there, and something that's really nice to have is an electronics tray there. It's removable, and a nice fan mount. And it's got a new adjustable battery strap, and coming from the previous updated from the previous version as well. It's got the lower roll center C and D suspension mounts, and that's just a few of the new things on the car. So we'll open this box, and we'll go ahead and have a look at what's inside. Okay, Team Associated's famous factory seal. It's always a good feeling doing this. There we go. Okay, on there. This side. Okay, so opening the box, you can see what's inside. There you go. We've got the B74 body. It's a lightweight body, very light, and quite flexible. All in. Okay, so it's all nice and neatly packaged. So having a look there, they're all the suspension mounts there, A, B, C, and D, with all the pills. Okay, and then the front and rear arms as well. Okay, so looking at that, we've got the 40 weights for the front shocks, 35 weight for the rear shocks, and I believe in this kit they've got the different springs, so yellow fronts and blue rears for this kit. Over the last year or so, the factory drivers and a lot of guys from the Team Associated Australia team have been doing a lot of testing, and a lot of that development has gone into this car. So yeah, the numbers, the bags are numbered, so as you go through the steps, it's quite easy to follow. So looking at that, we've got the oils, we've got the springs, and got the shock bodies there, the collars. So it's all a bag with the shocks in it. Having a look here, it's the updated battery strap. Okay, and it's got the servo mount there. And look here is the rear box, and also there we have the 66mm dog bones there, and the axles that go with that. So that was a modification guys were doing to the car, getting the 66mm drive shafts for the rear, and when you do that, you have to update the rear axles as well, which tends to give the car more grip on the track. Okay, the turnbuckles there. Okay, there's the new shock towers. They're 4mm thick though. They're very thick, so they're very durable. Okay, you've got a few aluminium parts there, the motor mounts. And also the gearbox mounts in there. And you've got the wing mount. There's the 72 tooth and the 78 tooth spur gears, and that's the center differential bag. Yep. Okay, front and rear gearboxes. Okay, here's the front steering setup there. Okay, you've got the steering arms in there, the hubs, and the caster blocks. And front hexes, 5mm, and you've got the two sway bars there. And yeah, I think the new sway bars, I believe 1.2 and 1.3mm anti-roll bars in there with the kit. Okay, there it is, the 200k Diff Fluid, and they've got the 10k diff oil. That's for the front and rear diffs. I haven't actually had a look at the kit setup, but yeah, that will be definitely for the center diff, the 200k, and yeah, the 10k would be for the front and rear diffs. Okay, just for the battery strap. Actually, no, a few screws in there. Okay. Okay. There's okay, there's a few parts there. There's the steering arm, the new +3 steering arm, and all the components for the steering setup. Okay, here we got the front and rear diffs, all the gears inside there, all nicely neatly packaged. And then we've got the chassis. It's an updated version of the chassis. There's extra holes and more spur gear clearance. Got the braces, and you've got the side rails, and you've got the chassis braces there, and you've got the new fiberglass updated chassis brace as well. Taking a look here, you've got the instruction manual. Got a few decals there. Got the Velcro. Help you stick on the body. Okay. Here they've provided a separate setup sheet with the kit setup. And having a look on the back, you've got the setup supplement, which shows some updated steps through the build. So it's an amendment, so to be wary of when you are building the car, going through the build. There you have it, guys. That's the unboxing of Team Associated's new all-wheel drive buggy, the B74.1D. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please tune in again next time for another unboxing.